Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come through really quick, give you the scoop on some products that are under $10 before shipping, or if it's not on the ground by you. We're not counting sales tax here. First up, Mielle. How do y'all say it? I say Mielle. Anywho, fix these pumps, girl. This is the Rosemary and Mint Strengthening Shampoo. This is infused with biotin and it is said to encourage growth that I can't really speak on. Howsoever, balm, slippery, moisturizing, not stripping. Mint isn't overpowering where your eyes are going to fall out of the shower. I love her very much. Most of these products, if not all, you can find them on the ground. Score. Another product from Mielle. This is the Rosemary and Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. Also infused with biotin and is said to encourage growth. Nice creamy texture. It's thick enough to where it's not going to come out of here, but it's still creamy enough to where it can give you some slip. Moisture is there, and again, under $10 and easily accessible on the ground, at least if you live near Target, because it is exclusive to Target. I no longer have this product because it's that amazing, and I actually need to go re-up on it because it's bomb. The African Pride, the Moisture Miracle Collection, that pre-poo, I actually need to go get more of it. It was so good, so slippery, so moisturizing. Like, to come from dry, ashy hair, similar to this, and to be able to glide my fingers through with little product, and it's inexpensive. The pre-poo, I believe, is $6, if I'm not mistaken. I got the entire collection from like a Curl Box exclusive release type of thing. So I got the entire collection for like $25, $30. And the pre-poo sold me instantaneously with little to no effort and minimal product. I think it's 12 ounces. I know I used it no less than like 5 times. Got my money's worth and definitely going to re-up on that. From the same African Pride collection, this is the Honey and Coconut Oil Nourish and Shine Shampoo, which is said to hydrate and elongate natural coils and curls. This is color safe and sulfate free. Just go buy it. Just go buy it. Also from the African Pride Moisture Miracle Collection, this is the Honey, Chocolate, and Coconut Oil Nourish and Restore Conditioner. This is said to help repair and replenish moisture to natural coils and curls. Again, sulfate free and color safe. This was not a win for everyone, and that's okay. That's okay. It's still cheap, under $6, and still worth a try. So I would suggest you go get it. I believe this collection, except the pre-poo, is at Family Dollar or something like that. Use your Googles. Next is a product from As I Am. As I Am had a dry and itchy scalp care collection that came out under 6 months ago. I did try the shampoo and the conditioner. The shampoo was okay. Conditioner I didn't like. The olive and tea tree oil leave-in conditioner from that very same collection of it slip, moisture, cheap, and if you don't like it, take it back to Sally's, girl. Next favorite of mine became a favorite of mine specifically during the summertime. Once I realized that this was a life hack, I would buy them all the time, but I didn't really use them and understand their greatness. I just get so excited because I use Jamaican black castor oil on my hair, on my face, my body. If you want to be succulent, soft, supple, and even, you want to help with your hyperpigmentation, you need to get you some Jamaican black castor oil. I usually get mine from like Hair Expos and hair shows. You can get like 3, 4, 5 of them for under $10. That's how I usually get mine. I think they're regularly priced like $8, and this is a 4-ounce bottle. You don't need a lot. It's thick, but it moves. So be wise and get you some Jamaican black castor oil. I had 57,000 bottles of Jamaican black castor oil. Rosemary, mint, argan, whatever you need, I got it. If I ain't got it, I'm going to get it. So get it while the getting is good. This last and final product is apparently a new craze. Me and Curly Girl Jess actually went to the World Natural Hair Show last year. But, you know, we didn't just stay at the hair show. We went and drove off and went shopping, found a Sally's, and she was like, girl, what you mean you never tried this? And I was like, girl, I just haven't gotten around to it. She was like, no, you need to get this, and it's only $3. Xtreme Wet Line Gel. This is an entire 35.28 ounce, which is well over a quart of gel. I like it for braid outs or twist out. Don't shun me, Jessica. I already know that I need to try it for my wash and goes. Love her. Hold, shine, definition, $3 for over a quart of product. Find it anywhere. Be blessed. Let me know if I mentioned any of your favorite inexpensive products, and let me know if there's something out there that's for the low that I should try. I'm all about a deal. I'll catch up with you in the next one.